what do you treat with your laser in medical dermatology? For example, with your CO2, some examples?
Yes. Now we see a lot of indication of medical indication, and in many publication literature we see a lot of new indication. For example, we treated patient with dye disease with very good results with fractional C2 laser, as well as wars, genital wars. We have even good result, or periangular wars. Even in the field of the tumoral field, like Bowen disease, we have a good result as well with the CO2 laser. What else? In another field, maybe for scars. It's very everybody knows the importance of laser in treating scars. I think it's a very good indication.
Yeah. And what is your favorite protocol today for scars, for hypertrophic scars first?
Okay, for hypertrophic scars, I think depends of the color. Maybe we can start with pulsed dye laser. We can use fractional CO2 laser, and now it's important to treat with the association of the many lasers, because it depends of the result that we have. So at the first step, we can target the red. After, we can target the collagen of the lesion, and we see what is the result. And what about even the color? If we have any complication after that,
Yeah.
for example.
And do you combine laser, PGL, or other vascular laser, and fractional laser during the same session?
In fact, it's good to do that, but as our lasers are not in the same place, so
Okay.
we can do it at the same moment. But I think yes, it can be very
And except
interesting.
CO2, have you some other example?
So we treated superficial basal cell carcinoma with Nd:YAG laser with good result. We have to know that it's very important that the basal cell carcinoma we have with a good prognosis is not very infiltrative, is small, to have a good result. Or maybe for someone when the localization is in some place where surgery is not, we can do it because we have a lot of scars or anesthetic complication. I don't know. So at that time, if you use the YAG, long pulse YAG, in the superficial basal cell carcinoma, I think that very, very, very good result with that.
And for vitiligo and alopecia areata, I think you are
Yes.
Already,
Yes. No. Really. Yes. It's
that.
very. Yes. It's very important because now we're really focalizing on these two diseases of the vitiligo and alopecia areata. We use now a new protocol combining a photosensitizer that we apply 45 minutes before the irradiation with an excimer, with the excimer lamp, 308 nanometers. And the protocol we use is two sessions a week, and we follow for 3 months. I think at minimum 3 months, but we see if the result is very important, is very nice, very good. We can do it for more months, even for 6-7 months. And now it's, I think we have already published some results in the literature, and we have to continue in this in that way, because we need, as you know, to confirm all these results with great population and the controlled studies, and to confirm all these good results.
And for hypopigmented scars, like
Yes,
with vitiligo?
yes, we can do it. We can do the same. We can because it's or we can do a fractional CO2 laser because sometimes it can be simulate, yes,
Melanoblast.
melanoblast, and it's very important. Or the excimer lamp, like idiopathic hypopigmentation, that is another indication of the excimer lamp. So it's, it can
Or
treat
just sun exposure.
Yeah, it's a sun exposure. It's artificial sun exposure, but we control the dose. We can, so we can treat in the way we want to do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I just want to add that there are two they are both working in university, and I am in a private office. So I have a lot of indications with my hair removal laser, for example, hirsutism, hidradenitis, pilonidal cyst, folliculitis, pseudofolliculitis, Baker's nevus, depilation of flaps, of grafts. So with hair removal a lot, with vascular laser a lot too, for radiodermatitis, for warts, you said it before, but so many indications.
Verneuil disease.
Verneuil disease, yeah, for hair removal laser, but for vascular indication, molluscum contagiosum. And in the French laser group, we are very involved in this field of non-cosmetic indication of laser. Thank you very much, Friederike and Sami.
Thank you.
And I hope that it has been interesting for you. Bye.